the people how they said I wouldn't make it. I just wanna show you that I'm here and I'ma take it. Recently I feel like I've been having revelations. All I need is God and I'm good, baby. And I just wanna show you I could. And I just wanna show you I could. Cause you said I wouldn't make it. I just wanna show you that I could, baby. Yo, I'm looking through my rear view. My past is not a clear view. I shut down my ears and now my heart is what I hear through. I've shut down my eyes and now my soul is what I peer through. Cause God whispered to me, yo, these struggles gon' prepare you, prepare you. This world is feeling something like a throne that I'm the heir to. And since the people put me there, I put the people there too. Sky's looking gray and I'm just trying to make it clear blue. And always take the path that's opposite of what my peers do. Cheers to college graduates that had to study hard, and homeless brothers sleeping in them gutter yards. Blessed be the babies that grow up to be their mother's charms. R.I.P. to those few that died inside their mother's arms. Life is such a trip now, cause I'm taking trips now. Inches from some luggage bags with custom